Welcome to Sabiduria de Trystin, Episode 7. We are now in the month of May. April seemed to have just flown by. I'm beginning to enjoy waking up in the morning and listening to the birds and not hearing the roar of traffic in the background. I enjoy smelling the fresh breeze coming from the windows. It does seem to be very peaceful. But at the same time, as an empath, I'm feeling anxiety. I don't tend to sleep well, even though I meditate. I don't tend to feel well, even though I drink orange tea almost every day. Drink loads of water. Practice yoga sometimes twice a day. I'm just feeling the vibrations of my fellow human beings around this planet. When I work in the garden and I water my plants and I go outside, I hug my children, I do feel peace. I don't feel much inner turmoil from myself. Although my husband and I are at home, technically we are still getting paid by our employers. We are focusing more on our own business. And we're getting a lot of things accomplished. But yet I still feel the world. I feel joy. I feel pain. I feel sorrow. I feel anger. I feel confusion. I feel anxiety all at the same time. And it's very confusing to me. So I'm checking in with you guys as well. Are you beginning to feel the same energy? It seems like I have to do more self-care nowadays than usual. I have to block energy from other people a lot more than I usually do. But regardless of all the feelings and emotions I'm feeling, there's one thought that keeps running in my mind. I still feel that agape love for everyone. The fact that you're my fellow Earthlings. We may disagree like brother and sisters do. We react differently just like distant cousins do. But due to the fact that you're my fellow Earthling and we all are occupants to this planet, I love you. So although this is a very brief episode of Sabiduria de Trystin, I just wanted to hop on and say Happy May. Allow this new month to bring you new opportunities. Use the funk that's happening around you to be your fertilizer and not just the shit that's lying around. Let it purify you so much that you grow as tall and as strong as a sequoia tree. Allow you to become fragrant and precious. Allow the pressure to mold you into the precious gems that you are. Please know I'm here with you. I'm listening. I can feel you. I will continue to pray. I will continue to ring bowls. Release the fear. Get closer to the Great Spirit, the High Divine, or whatever you call your highest power. This shall soon pass. Maybe not in the time that we would like it to pass, but it will pass. And just allow the pressure to make you into a precious, even more precious gem than you currently are. Let it mold you into the beautiful creature, a more evolved human being, a more evolved earthling, a more evolved spirit living and experiencing human life on this beautiful planet. Many blessings to you all. Namaste.